welcome to the Mani and Freya show. This is our third episode. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this.
I know.
It's been really taking off, and today I have two amazing guests who I am so excited to introduce all of you to. We've already seen some hairstyling taking place, haven't we, Mani?
Absolutely. I've seen you have lovely curls, and so let's see, where did we get that from?
We will have how-to tips by my neighbor and very good friend, Mickey. He is Australian, and you will catch the accent when he actually speaks.
That's right. I've been doing everybody's hair here so far.
I know, so
she was
far.
late.
Oh, that's why she didn't get hers done. But you know what? Perhaps at the end of the show. And also Kari, who is also my dear friend, and we've known each other for a number of years now, right?
Yes, a very long time, and I'm so happy to be here. Thank you for having me.
So Kari herself is a coach, and if everyone recalls when Canada's women's hockey team won the gold.
Yeah, I was one of
the
assistant strength and conditioning coaches in that 3 years leading up to that gold medal at the Olympics in Sochi.
Wow.
Yeah.
Great. Welcome to the show, Vicky and Kari.
Can you teach me to play hockey?
Hockey. I'm the
strength coach.
Yeah,
Strength
the
coach?
muscle and the fitness behind the scenes.
Wow.
So
Yeah.
I'm
And I think we can all do with a bit of
strong
that, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
We can definitely benefit from strengthening our core and our legs. But today, Kari is here to discuss essential oils and the benefits of them.
Yes.
So we're really looking forward to hearing all about it, as well as hair tips. And Mickey, what do you have planned for the hair model?
Well, I've got a little technique that I try to explain to clients and some of the celebs that I do, how to do your hair at home. And it is quite simple. And I've got these little simple techniques that you can actually do at home yourself.
Amazing.
But hair is a beautiful thing. And if it's done right, you can actually walk out ready to conquer the world.
Yes.
Ready to
Absolutely.
conquer the world.
Absolutely.
I'm excited.
Yes, we're all excited. So stay tuned.
Absolutely. And for me, honestly, if my hair is done, I have a right pair of heels on, I'm good for the day.
Bring it on.
Absolutely.
For me, it's the right pair of runners. You know, if my hair is really back tightly in a ponytail and the right pair, this is just a special thing for you guys.
Good for you.
We feel so special now.
We do indeed.
Yes.
So we will be back with you shortly with hair tips from Mickey and essential oil benefits from Kari.
Stay tuned.